The fire hose sign. This sign indicates the location of a fire hose. A fire hose operates with water drawn from the local water supply and should always have a seal to indicate that the device has not been tampered with. Never use this hose for any other purpose than extinguishing a fire. Also remember not to use it on burning liquids or live electrical equipment. Proper training on how to use a fire hose is crucial. The sprinkler stop valve. This sign will be situated at the sprinkler stop valve. Companies with automatic sprinkler systems, activated when the alarm has been raised, will also have a sprinkler stop valve. This valve is used to control the water to the sprinkler system. Only authorized personnel are allowed to operate this valve. The fire hydrant sign. This sign indicates a fire hydrant, while this sign indicates a fire pump connection. Nothing should ever obstruct a fire hydrant or a fire pump connection. The fire department or the company's emergency team uses this hydrant or connection. Make sure you know where they are located, as this would save valuable time for the fire department or the emergency team. This concludes our overview on red and white safety signs. You can learn more about fire and how to extinguish a fire in the South African Fire Safety Series. In Module 6 in this series, we will discuss personal protective equipment. Should you have any questions or need clarification on any of the signs we've discussed, please speak to your training officer or safety manager.